Hello, and welcome to today's video, where we will tackle a task that can be challenging in Microsoft Excel, getting information from one table to another using multiple criteria. Before we start, please note that I will pronounce all methods or variable names without an underscore, like left on instead of left underscore on, etc. However, if there are two or more words, there should be an underscore. So, please pay close attention to the code spelling on the screen. To better understand the problem, let's examine our data. We have imported two tables. The first one contains sales data. By typing sales.head, we can see the first 5 rows of the table. The table provides information about sold items, their quantities, and prices in different currencies. Please note that this is synthetic data, artificially created for this example. By further exploring the currency column using sales, currency.value counts, we can see that there are several currencies. Let's imagine our goal is to convert all prices into euros. To accomplish this, we will turn to our second table, FX rates, which presents the equivalent value of each currency in terms of €1. This table was taken from Kaggle. In Excel, using the VLOOKUP function to get values from the FX rates table would be difficult because each day has different currencies, creating a many-to-many relationship. One approach could be to concatenate the date and currency columns and use it as a lookup key, but this requires multiple VLOOKUP functions. Fortunately, Python's pandas library makes this task much simpler. We will use the merge method. First, type the name of the primary table, which we will call the left table in pandas terminology. In our case, this is sales. Type sales.merge and include the second table's name, FX rates, along with the keys for combining tables. These are called left on and right on. Pass the list of column names from the primary table to left on, in our case, it is order date and currency, and pass date and currency to right on. The merge method has now joined the tables, combining all columns. For columns present in both tables but not in keys, the method uses the suffixes _x for the left and _y for the right table. Often, we don't need all columns in our output, so we'll merge only selected columns from the second table. To do this, pass the list of column names to slice the table and assign the entire expression to a new variable, let's say sales1a. Now, if we check sales1a.head, we can see the columns we wanted. It's worth mentioning that there is an alternative syntax for this expression. Let's create another table, sales2a, equal to our first one, but this time using the pd-merge method. Within the parentheses, mention the left and right tables. Tables sales1a and sales2a are equal. But did you notice something strange? Let's check one more thing. By comparing the shapes of sales, sales1a, and sales1b, we see that they differ. While the difference in columns is explained by the new columns, what could be the reason for the difference in row count? The answer to this puzzle will be the subject of our next video. So, stay tuned and join us in our upcoming session to uncover the mystery together.